Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to fix Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes Store. Apple ID not working in the Apple Store. So first, what you want to do is open up Settings, click on your profile here, and then scroll down until you see Media and Purchases. Go to Password Settings, and then make sure the always required password is switched on. And then once you're done, click on Done. And then what you want to do again is go to Media and Purchases again, and then go to View Account. And then once you're there, click on Country and Region. And then what you want to do is click on Change Country or Region, and then scroll down until you see the country in which you're living in. So for me, I live in the Philippines, so I'll just press Philippines. And then once you're done, terms and conditions will pop up. So all you have to do is just press on Agree. And then if you want to buy something from the Apple Apple App Store, you can enter your card details right here. And then you can see your name here, your surname, and then just enter your billing address. And then once you're done, just click on Next. And then once you're done, what you want to do next, open the App Store, go to your profile, and then just sign out and then sign in again, and that will eventually fix the problem. So yeah, and then you are done. So that will eventually fix the problem. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So that is how you fix the Apple ID's not yet been used in the iTunes Store, Apple ID not working in the App Store. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.